New Notebook LM updates changed everything. You're spending hours creating presentations when Notebook LM can do it in minutes. Most people don't know Notebook LM just got 3 features that actually matter. While you're stuck in PowerPoint and Canva, there's a faster way sitting right in front of you. Notebook LM just became way more powerful. Google rolled out updates in late 2025 and early 2026 that turned this research tool into something completely different. I'm talking video overviews that actually work, infographics you can customize on your phone, slide decks that don't look like garbage. This isn't hype. These features are live right now, and I'm going to walk you through each one so you can start using them today. Let me start with video overviews because this is the one everyone's talking about. Notebook LM already had audio overviews, those AI podcast style summaries where it sounds like 2 people are discussing your sources. They've been around for a while, but video overviews are different. Here's how they work. You upload your sources to Notebook LM. Could be PDFs, research documents, articles, whatever you're working with. Then you generate a video overview. And Notebook LM creates an actual video with narrated slides, not just audio with a picture, an actual video that walks through your content visually. The AI pulls images, diagrams, quotes, and numbers directly from your sources. It creates slides that explain the concepts, and it narrates the whole thing with AI voices. The videos come in different formats too. You can choose explainer format for detailed walkthroughs or brief format for quick summaries. Video overviews launched on the web version in July 2025, but they just came to mobile in late January 2026. That's the big news here. You can now generate these videos directly from your phone. I'll tell you exactly how to do this in a minute. But first, let me explain the customization options, because most people don't know you can control what these videos focus on. Before you generate a video overview, you can add instructions, tell it what topics to emphasize, what audience it's for, what tone to use. The AI reads those instructions and adjusts the video accordingly. You can also pick visual styles: classic, whiteboard, watercolor, retro print, heritage, papercraft, even anime and kawaii styles. Notebook LM uses a model called Nano Banana to generate these visuals, and you can choose the language. Video overviews are available in over 80 languages. So here's the workflow. Open Notebook LM on your phone. Go to the Studio tab, tap Video Overview, choose your format and style, add any custom instructions, then generate. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. You can keep working while it processes. Now, here's something important. Video overviews on mobile don't have all the customization options yet. You can't change visual styles from the mobile app like you can on the web, but you can still generate videos, and you can watch any videos you previously created on the web version. Google's rolling out more features to mobile over time, so that gap should close soon. Now let's talk about infographics, because this feature just got way better on mobile. Infographics launched in Notebook LM in November 2025. They let you turn your research into visual summaries, clean designs, professional layouts, no design skills required. But when they first came to mobile, you couldn't customize them. The app just used default settings. That changed in early February 2026. Now you can actually control what your infographics look like. Here's what you can customize on mobile now: orientation, landscape, portrait, or square. Different formats work for different platforms. You can select which sources to pull from, add a custom prompt to guide what the AI focuses on, and choose the output language. To customize, go to Studio tab, find infographic, tap the pencil icon, make your choices, generate. The AI uses Nano Banana Pro to create the visuals. Same technology behind the slide decks and video styles. It pulls data from your sources and creates professional looking graphics automatically. When I first started using tools like this, now the third feature, slide decks, this might be the most practical one for most people. Slide decks also launched in November 2025. They let you turn your sources into complete presentations. Notebook LM analyzes your content, structures it into slides, creates visuals, and formats everything professionally. And just like infographics, slide deck customization just came to mobile in early February 2026. Here's what you can customize: format, detailed deck with full text for emailing, or presenter slides with minimal text for speaking. Select your sources, choose output language, add a custom prompt. Same process as before. Studio tab, slide deck option, pencil icon, generate. And here's the key thing about these slide decks: they actually look good. The AI uses Nano Banana Pro to create relevant visuals. It generates diagrams, charts, icons, even company logos when appropriate. The slides flow logically from one to the next. Professional formatting, consistent design. I've seen people share examples online: research presentations, product overviews, educational materials. The quality is legitimately impressive for AI-generated content. Now, one thing to know, there are usage limits on these features. Free Notebook LM users have daily limits on how many infographics, slide decks, and video overviews they can generate. The exact numbers aren't publicly listed, but you'll hit a cap if you generate too many in one day. Notebook LM Plus subscribers get higher limits, 500 notebooks, 300 sources per notebook, higher generation limits for all studio features. When Notebook LM first rolled out infographics and slide decks in November, demand was so high they temporarily restricted access for free users. They've since brought it back, but there are still limits to manage server capacity. So, how do these three features work together? Say you're researching AI automation or market trends. Gather your sources, upload them to Notebook LM, generate a video overview, share it with teammates to get everyone up to speed quickly. Create an infographic highlighting key data. Post it on LinkedIn, include it in reports, generate a slide deck for presentations, whether it's clients, your team, or a workshop, all three assets from the same sources, all created on your phone. Maybe 30 to 40 minutes total. Compare that to the traditional way, hours reading sources, more hours creating visuals from scratch, even more time building a presentation, days of work compressed into minutes, and you can create multiple versions for different audiences. Same sources, generate a technical video for developers, create an executive focused infographic for leadership, build a detailed slide deck for clients, each one optimized for who needs to see it. Now, here's what you need to know to get started. First, update your Notebook LM app. These features rolled out in late January and early February 2026. If you don't see customization options, update through the App Store or Play Store. Second, start small. Pick one project, upload 3 to 5 sources, test each feature. This teaches you how the system works and what prompts produce better results. Third, experiment with prompts. The custom prompt field is powerful. Be specific about what you want. Instead of just generating a default infographic, tell it, create a landscape infographic focused on key statistics, use a clean business style, highlight 3 main findings. You'll get much better results. For video overviews, specify your audience. Create this video for marketing professionals who need practical applications.